Hey guys, welcome to Yoga Live with Misty. Quite a few of you have been wanting to do some headstands and you're tired of falling, so you've asked me to give you some better instructions. So I'm going to show you a little trick. Definitely use the wall if you're a beginner. It'll help you without falling over and crashing. It'll build up your confidence so you don't feel like you're going to hurt yourself. But imagine I have a wall here. I'm going to use my fingertips to touch the wall and then have a seat back on my heels. This will give me enough space between my knees and the wall. You're going to feather your fingers together, place them at the top of your head, bring your elbows in. You want to make sure your forearms are above your head. This is really a forearm stand, not a headstand. You're going to tuck your elbows down, straighten out your legs, walk your feet in until you can't go any farther, and then press up with the heel. When you press up with your heel, it's going to lift the other one off of the floor. Find the wall with your right foot, and then bring the left one up. As you start to practice, you're going to notice a lot of pressure right here at the head. And so the more you work your upper body and get stronger with your shoulders, the less pressure you're going to feel in your head. Another way that I like to do this is you're going to start in a dolphin. Fingers are spread wide. Walk your feet in, and if you're teaching a class, if you're a teacher, you can always have your students hold here and then guide the rest of the class to go ahead and try a headstand. So from here, I'm going to feather my fingers, drop my head, walk my head into my hands. Then continue to walk, bring one foot up, and the same thing. If I don't push with my heel, my left foot's not going to lift. And I'm going to be jumping into it. You don't want to do that. You want to push and allow it to lift you. So, take time and practice. See what you get. Namaste.